Hello everybody, welcome back again to our mathematics class. This is Abdul Karim Wahaj, one of the mathematics instructors in these Afghan-Turk high schools. And today, according to last lessons, we studied what was the arithmetic, what was the sequences, we defined it, and what was the sets we defined, and also we divided the sequences into two parts. And today I'm going to cover special topics in sequences, which is arithmetic sequences. What is an arithmetic sequences? First, we must define that arithmetic sequence is a sequence is called an arithmetic sequence if the differences between two consecutive terms are equal with the what? They are simultaneously they are same way together, and also they must be a constant number, which is real number. Let's define again. Sequence is any sequence is an arithmetic sequence if the differences between two consecutive terms are same way together. What is a consecutive? You studied in geometry also. For example, if I have the sequence like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the time, the differences between consecutive terms are equal with together, and simultaneously that must be a number. For example, if I have a sequence like, 1.2, 3, 4, and it's going on. 1, 2, 3, 4. One is called the consecutive terms with 2, and 3 is called the consecutive term with number 2 because they are coming backward or toward with each other. At the time, if in a sequence differences between the consecutive terms are equal, for example, 2 minus 1 is equal with number 1, 3 minus 2 is equal with number 1, and 4 minus 3 is equal also 1. In this kind of sequences, when the differences between two consecutive terms are equal with together, and simultaneously that is a real number, at the time that is called what? An arithmetic sequences. When you choose the examples or the questions which is giving a person is giving to you, at the time you must follow this condition. And also the in or R sub in is shows a sequence for us when this is an arithmetic when in plus 1 is equal with in plus d. This is the conditions to having what? Sequence. Or in plus 1 minus in is equal with the d. This is the formula that say as this is an arithmetic sequence. Understand here, n must be from the integer numbers, which I taught in the definition of the sequences, and they must be real number. Every time they must be the real number. This is the what? Common difference. Common difference of two consecutive terms in arithmetic sequence must be real number. And also, in plus 1 minus in is equal with the common difference, and it must be from real numbers. In this condition, when d is bigger than 0, and it must be a positive real number, and the time that sequence is increasing sequence, and same time if d is less than 0, what does it mean? D is equal with the negative numbers, on the time that sequence is called decreasing in arithmetic sequences. Okay, dear students, let's check the things we taught about that in arithmetic sequence with some examples, and let's illustrate with some examples. Show the given sequence with general term in is equal with 2 times n minus 5 over 3. Is this sequence shows an arithmetic sequence or not? Let's start to solving. First, we must find n plus 1. 2 times, instead of n, we must write n plus 1 minus 5 over 3. Let's simplify this. 2 times n will be 2 times n plus 2 times 1 will be 2. Minus 5 will be negative 3. 2 times minus 3. And also we said to having an arithmetic sequence according to the given examples, we must check this condition. Rn plus 1 minus Rn is equal with a real number. Rn plus 1 minus Rn, here we will have Rn plus 1 we found 2 times n minus 3 over 3 minus what? Rn. Rn is given in the example to us. 2 times n minus 5 over 3. Let's simplify this. 3 divided by 3 will be number 1. 1 times 2 times n negative 3 will be itself 2 times minus 3 minus 2 times n plus 5. Let's simplify this one. Positive 2n will be cancelled with the negative 2n. On the time we cancel this one. Negative 3 plus 5 will be 2 over 3. 2 over 3 is a quotient number, which is real number. This is equal with the common difference, and also 2 over 3 is a real number on the time. This is what? An arithmetic sequence. Okay, since let's check some another numerical sequences which is given to us. These examples show an arithmetic sequence or not. Let's check this one. State whether the following sequences are arithmetic or not. If so, find the common difference. The first says, in arithmetic sequence, we say the differences between the consecutive terms will be equal with together or same. Here, 10 minus 3 is equal with what? 10 minus 7 will be 3. And 13 minus 10 is equal with what? Number 3. And 16 minus 13 will be number 3. This is an arithmetic sequence, and simultaneously we can find, and we found the common difference which is equal with number 3, which is from real number. And let's check the second one. 4 minus 1 is equal with 3. 9 minus 4 is equal with 9 minus 4 will be number 5. And also 16 minus 9 is equal with 7. As you see, the common differences are not equal with together. On that time, these example or the second numerical example doesn't show the arithmetic sequences. Okay, since it was the arithmetic sequences. If you have any question, if you have any suggestion, if you have any good comments, we are waiting for your best comments in our YouTube channel. Thank you.